Did you know iguanas have a secret third eye that makes them better at survival than humans? It's true. Right on top of their heads, iguanas have a literal third eye called a parietal eye. This isn't just some weird bump. It's a real eye that can see. This ancient eye looks like a small grayish scale, but it's actually a primitive photoreceptor. It connects directly to the pineal gland deep inside their brain, creating a direct line to their survival instincts. So what does this mysterious third eye do? It's like having a built-in security camera pointed at the sky. The parietal eye detects shadows and changes in light from above, instantly alerting the iguana when aerial predators like hawks are swooping down. While we humans have to rely on our regular eyes and quick reflexes, iguanas have evolved this incredible early warning system. In some ways, this makes them more advanced than us when it comes to staying alive. Nature is absolutely mind-blowing.